We're already signed in here, so let's take it from the front door. On ControlBird Clouds, you get here from your cloud dashboard. Open your environments, pick your node, and open it. Here, we're signing in as Dana, the person who actually runs this site. Running Community Edition instead. Your first sign-in is admin, so change that the moment you're in. And there's the desktop she sees every day, building operations right where she left it. The ControlBird logo in the corner opens the Start menu, same as it's always worked. Every app you're allowed to use lives in here, grouped 3 ways. Operations is where you watch the building run, alarms, history, devices. Engineering is where you build things, schemas, rules, dashboards. And system covers accounts, security, and the platform itself. Device Manager is where hardware actually gets connected, and every device you add lives in its tree. There are 2 ways in: a guided integration from the extension catalog or a custom device you define field by field. That's exactly where the next video goes, so we'll leave it ready and waiting. Windows behave like any desktop, open as many as you need, side by side. Here's Active Alarms next to Device Manager, the same app that caught AHU01 filter warning last time. Close them and you're right back on the dashboard, exactly where you started. The taskbar at the bottom keeps a few things on hand at all times. Your role shows right here, owner, since Dana runs this site. Next to it, the connection light. Lit up means the browser's talking to the kernel right now. And down at the end, the clock, so you always know what time it is. That's the desktop, a start menu with everything sorted, a taskbar that always tells you where you stand, and windows you can arrange however you like. Next time, we connect a device and watch its first reading land.